Welcome to the Food Love channel. In this video, I will give you my red velvet roll cake recipe. If you like the video before moving on to our video, you will make me very happy. First, let's make the base of our roll. In a deep bowl, add 4 eggs, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Mix with a mixer until smooth. Add kefir, vegetable oil and mix again. Then add flour, cocoa, and baking powder. Continue mixing. Add a few drops of red food coloring and mix again. If you find that the color is not saturated enough, add some more dye. Continue mixing. Pour the prepared mixture on a baking sheet covered with parchment paper. We distribute it over the entire surface. Put in the oven preheated to 170 degrees for 15 minutes. We take the base out of the oven and immediately transfer it to parchment paper. Remove the layer of parchment paper we baked. We roll the base into a roll using parchment paper. Then we wrap it in a towel. Let it cool to room temperature. We will make cream. Add room temperature butter to a deep bowl and beat with a mixer. Add the powdered sugar and continue whisking. Then add the curd cheese. Continue mixing. The cream is prepared. When the roll has cooled, open it. Put the cream on top and roll everything back into roll. Fold in parchment paper and refrigerate for 1 hour. Bon appétit! In order not to miss the recipe of great flavors, you should subscribe to my channel immediately. Thank you for watching my video.